Laresh Sethi. I study in class 3, section A. Today I am presenting a folk tale from Kashmir. There once was a poor woodcutter. One day, while working, he felt tired and sat down under a tree to rest for a while. A little bird flying about happened to see the woodcutter and felt sad at his miserable condition. I must help him, thought the bird, and perched beside the woodcutter. As the woodcutter dozed off, the little bird laid a golden egg near him and flew away. When the woodcutter woke up, he was surprised to see the golden egg. He quickly picked it up and slipped in his pocket. Then he bundled the logs that he had chopped that day and carried them to the shopkeeper, to whom he usually sold his wood. "Such a small bundle today?" asked the shopkeeper. "You bring big bundles every day. It seems you did not work very much today." The woodcutter then told how he had dozed off and then he had found the golden egg. When he woke up, the shopkeeper, a cunning man, lured him into exchanging the egg for a single gold coin. The innocent woodcutter accepted. The shopkeeper also told him if he could bring the bird that laid the golden egg, he could get 5 gold coins. Promising to bring the bird, the woodcutter went home. The next day, the woodcutter went to the same tree where he had found the golden egg and sat down pretending to sleep. The little bird came again and perched beside the woodcutter. Just then, the woodcutter sprang up and caught the bird. "Now I shall sell you to the shopkeeper for 5 gold coins," said the woodcutter. "But 1 golden egg is 100 times more valuable than 5 gold coins. Don't you know that?" screeched the bird. "The shopkeeper has made a fool of you." The woodcutter realized his mistake. "I am sorry, I got greedy and harmed you," he said, and released the bird. But the bird fell to the ground. "My end is near," she moaned. "I come from the family of Lucky Bird's family. We bring luck to men, but we are destined to die if ever caught by humans." The woodcutter heard this and wept bitterly. He asked, "Is there any way I can help you?" The bird said, "When I die, pluck a feather from my wing and show it to the fire. You will be transported to my home. Give my feather to my family and tell them the truth." This lucky bird died. The woodcutter did as he was told. In an instant, he found himself in the lucky bird's family. He showed them the feather and narrated his story to them. "Oh, we must act fast," said the father bird, and kept the lucky bird's feather on the ground and began to hop around it. After 10 rounds, father bird touched the feather and lo, Lucky Bird's lifeless body was transported there. The mother bird and sister bird brought some green leaves and grass that could raise The woodcutter was ecstatic to see her alive again. The lucky bird then spoke. Luck appears and disappears, and so do we lucky birds, but we don't stay with those who are greedy. The woodcutter cried, I have lost you because of my foolishness. Don't be disheartened, friend, said the lucky bird. You have helped me, and so I shall return to you once again, but you will have to wait for that time. The woodcutter returned home with a heavy heart, but with the hope that the lucky bird would return someday. Thank you.